Good afternoon, kids. I'm gonna tell you some story with a title, Little Red Riding Hood. Once upon a time, there was a bad wolf living in the forest. One day, he saw a little girl who lived in a small house near the woods. She used to wear a red dress with a hood, so people called her Little Red Riding Hood. Little Red Riding Hood had to take some cakes to her grandmother, who lived across the woods. On the way, she decided to stop to pick up some flowers. The wolf, who was following her, heard her talk to the animals of the forest. She was telling them about her visits to her grandma. So the wicked wolf set off to reach grandma's house before Little Red Riding Hood. The wolf entered the house carrying to the death the poor old grandma. She jumped off the bed and locked herself in a cupboard. The wicked wolf got into grandma's bed, waiting for Little Red Riding Hood. When Little Red Riding Hood found the wolf under the covers and talked to him, thinking that it was Grandma. She could not understand why her grandma was sounding so different. All of a sudden, the wolf jumped off the bed and tried to attack Little Red Riding Hood. She ran out shouting for help, followed by the wolf. Luckily, a hunter was passing by the girl, scaring and shot the wolf. Little Red Riding Hood and her grandma thanked the hunter. The three of them enjoyed eating the cakes. Thank you very much. Thank you for the story. Bye-bye.